I can't imagine someone going through the accounting program and not being involved in GAAP. Because if you're just going through the accounting program and you're not involved in extracurricular activities at all, you're really kind of just coasting through. Even if you get good grades, why would you focus so much on these 4 or 5 years of your life but completely ignore the next 30, 40 years you're going to spend working? Because that's basically what you're doing if you don't get involved in GAAP, because that's looking at careers. If you're interested in a specific area, you need to know before your senior year. I mean, the sooner you know, the better. The sooner you start preparing, getting your resume taken care of, talking to people. And it's really important, of course, to find out which areas you want to work with once you don't. You don't want to spend all the time getting resumes and working on cover letters for companies and applying and realizing, hey, I don't want to work for this company, or going through the whole process getting hired and realizing, oh, I hate this form of accounting, I hate doing this thing. In GAAP, you actually get to go out and see these different companies and talk to the people. It's very, very telling when you talk to them, especially during busy season and things of that nature, if they like their jobs or not. In certain firms, you go there busy season, they just want to die. You can see it in their eyes. You go to other firms busy season, they're happy to see you, and obviously you can tell there's a difference between the quality of life in those different companies. That's something you cannot see if you're just going in for an interview in 30 minutes. So GAAP really provides you much more than you would in an academic program. And I think that's why we have a lot of support from SOM and also the accounting faculty, because they know how important it is not just to look at the academic side, but look beyond that. So it's not just studies, it's developing networking and learning more about the industry. You don't learn much of the industry when you're in the classes. That's what you learn outside. That's extracurricular activities, which is GAAP involvement. And of course, being GAAP officer looks great on your resume. And I think I had a lot of attention and a lot of interviews when I was vice president, because I realized, hey, this person's involved in GAAP, he's in a strong leadership role. We should interview him, we should see what he has to say. And I think that was one of the main reasons why I had a lot of interviews and had a lot of opportunities in the accounting program.